Yeah, Conceited!
I give her man. DJ cut the beat. It's on us, right?
Yeah, it's on y'all, let's go.
Now usually I say cut the beat, but with the aux core wars, I never wanted to stop. This is the littest joint. I want y'all just to imagine. Take y'all back when you had to go to the house parties and the proms and all that. That's what this is times 10. I mean, we hitting every single school that's with it, that want to party and turn up. And this is definitely something you should do. If you don't do it, you missed out. This joint was litty. Aux Chord Wars for the win. Huh?